In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block spam in Gmail, new method. We're going to use a simple Gmail filter that quietly cleans up your inbox by catching the kinds of messages most people don't want to see every day. This works best on a computer using the Gmail website, so open Gmail in your browser to follow along. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings. In the Full Settings page, go to the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where you can tell Gmail exactly what to do with messages that match certain rules. Click Create a new filter. You'll see several fields you can use. If you know specific senders or specific recipients, you can use the From or To fields. You can also target subject lines or keywords. The most powerful option for decluttering newsletters and promotions, though, is the field called Has the Words. In that box, type the word unsubscribe. Most promotional emails include an unsubscribe link at the bottom, so this one word gives you a wide, reliable net for catching bulk messages without chasing each sender individually. Click Create Filter to choose what happens next. You'll see a list of actions. If you want these emails out of sight, select Skip the Inbox to archive them automatically. To organize them neatly, choose Apply the Label and pick or create a label so they land in a dedicated folder-like view. You can also mark as read so they don't appear as new, or even delete it if you're comfortable never seeing them. A great tip here is to check. Also apply filter to matching conversations, which instantly cleans up messages already in your inbox that match the rule. Keep in mind, using the word unsubscribe is broad by design. If a legitimate message gets swept up, you can refine the filter later. You might add an extra keyword to narrow it down, or exclude trusted senders by adding an exception in the filter fields. When you're satisfied, click Create Filter to finalize. From now on, Gmail will automatically handle those messages based on your choices, so your inbox stays focused on what matters. If you ever want to adjust or remove the rule, just return to Settings, open Filters and Blocked Addresses, and edit or delete the filter. That's all there is to it. Quick, effective, and easy to maintain.